Hi everybody, Miss Rinnie here. I just wanted to go over our ABCs today. Now I know most of you, I think everybody probably knows their ABCs, but remember we were practicing in sign language. So I wanted to do it so you can continue to practice at home. And when you come back to school, you will be an expert, complete expert. So here we go. You can get mommy and daddy to come and do it, and maybe a sister or brother, and they can learn it too. All right, here we go. I'm going to do a little bit on the slow side. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Wow, you guys are really good. I'm going to clap. This is sign language for clapping. That was fabulous. I'm going to do it really, really slow now so we can really focus on each letter. Okay? You ready? This is A. Make a hand together, fingers down, and thumb on the very end like that. That's A. Okay, next one is B. B, you have your hand pretty flat. You can put your thumb there a little bit, but you don't have to. This is a B. It's kind of like you're waving. Hold it still. Ready? B. And C is like a C. It's like this. If you're right-handed, you can do it like this. Either hand, whichever way you like. But that's a C. And a D looks a little like a D. You kind of put your finger up like that. Okay? A D, and you make a hole with the rest of it, a circle. E is like this. You kind of take your thumb and you put your fingers like over the top of your thumb. E kind of looks like an E. F, you're going to go like this. It's like saying, okay, okay. That's an F. Ready? G, it's just two fingers, these two fingers, and you put them this way. So it's on the side. It's a G. An H, it's one more letter. His fingers. That's it. That's an H. Now, I is your little finger, not your pointer. It's your little tiny baby finger, your pinky. Okay, that's an I. And to make J, it's a special one because it moves like a hook. You make a J, you go whoop, you make a loop. So try it again. Ready? Finger up and then go. That's a J. J. And then K. It's a little hard. You kind of make a V with your hand and you put your thumb right there. Okay, and K, so you point it like this. That's K. So it's backwards. You see your thumb. K. Okay. L looks just like an L. It's like this. Pointer finger and your thumb. Now an M has three legs. It goes M, like that. So M, you take three fingers and you put them over your thumb. See, it's like this. 1, 2, 3. There you go. M. And N only has two legs. So you put one away. N. And an O, you all know. You make a circle. It's kind of, you could see through it if you looked. It's an O. And a P. It's the same thing as a K, but it just points down. So a K, this finger points up, and P, it points down. This finger points down. Okay? P. Now Q is kind of upside down. Okay? Like that. Two fingers, like a G, but it pointed down, and then that's a Q. Now R happens to be my favorite because it's the first letter in Rinnie, Miss Rinnie. And you just crisscross your fingers, these two fingers, you crisscross them and hold them up. That's R, S, like in snake. So S, you make a fist and you put your thumb over the front like this. That's an A when your thumb is on the end. That is an S. So they're different. They're definitely different. That's an S. T is you put your thumb right in the middle. Kind of like a turtle sticks out his head out of his shell. You're sticking your thumb right through there. That's a T. Just like that. When you have to go to the bathroom, to the toilet, you go like this. You go T. I gotta go toilet. I gotta go to the potty. That's a T. T. Then U, like that. 2 fingers together, standing up straight. And the V is kind of fun. You do a U and you go kind of like a scissor, right? That's a V. And a W, you just add a finger. It's a little hard. You have to hold these 2 fingers together and make 3 of your other fingers stand up tall. That's a W. And then X is like this. You kind of bend your finger. All the other fingers are down. It goes X. Now, a Y, I think, looks just like a Y. You have your little finger and your thumb, and the other ones are all squished down. And here's the Y. So it's like a Y. It's a little hard to do. You might have to use your hand. So what I do is I go, okay, my thumb is up, and then little tiny pinky finger, and I help it there. It's hard to do. You can practice it, though. I know you can do it. That's a Y. And Z is also, you have to move for a Z. So a Z, zip, zip, zip. Ready? We're going to point in the air, and we're going to zip it in the air. Zip, zip, zip. Just 3 times. That's a Z. Let's do it again. Ready? Ready? Zip, zip, zip. And now you have to do it without talking. Okay, ready? That's a Z. That's great. That's all of the letters. And at the end, you sing some words. You say now. So you have to make your Y, both hands. And you go like this. Now. That means now. That's a new word. Now. And then who? I. Now I know. I know in my head. I know my, your what? Your A, B, C's. And then you're going to say, next time. Time, it's like you have a watch on. You have a watch on, you point to your watch. Now, next time, won't you, I'm saying, would you, come on, and sing with your voice, sing music. This is like conducting. So sing together. Sing together with me. So it's now I know my A, B, C's. Next time, won't you sing with me? Very, very good. Now it takes a lot of practice, so you can go really slowly and maybe just work from 1 or 2 letters at a time, or you can try the whole thing. But I'm excited to know that you're working on it. And if you have questions, you can always make a picture or a video of you and send it to me, and I'll try to help you with it. Okay? Do a great job. I know you will. Bye.